Welcome back to the channel. So let's see what you'll be expecting on Swiss franc JPY. If you are yet to subscribe, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. So when you take a look at this Swiss franc JPY, you can see that our foot trend is an uptrend move. So this is our high. Here is our higher low. Here is also the higher high. Here is our higher low. This is the higher high. Here is our higher low. This is the higher high. Here is our higher low. Then getting higher high here. And now we should be expecting an higher low next. So which markets formed. So our next movement is a new higher. So another bullish move for the day is what we should be expecting on Swiss franc JPY. So more bullish. If you are yet to subscribe, make sure you subscribe. So once I drop an update, you get the updates instantly.